If you go on the internet and search technical analysis courses, you'll see thousands, if not tens of thousands of courses which teach you these techniques. What we fail to understand is that most of these courses just cover the basics of technical analysis, and this information is available in abundance everywhere. So is it really wise to risk your hard-earned money by just studying the surface of technical analysis and trading? Not really. That is why we created this course. This course starts with these basics to give you a background of technical analysis, but it dives away further into the most advanced techniques, particularly focused on Elliott Wave Trading Patterns, but more on that later. So for everyone who's looking to become an expert in trading and analysis cryptocurrencies to make real profitable trades, you've come to just the right place.